Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to do another unboxing. It's a perfume. Guys, it took me 1 hour because I traveled from KL to airport just for this. This perfume is named Givenchy. Givenchy. Guys, I'm sorry, I'm not sure how to pronounce this. Please comment down below if you know how to pronounce this because I am not sure. So okay, let's open this. Before I open this, I would like to say thank you all for joining me for today's video. Thank you. Sorry, so let's open it. Yay, yay, yay. Alright, so it's the bags like this and like this. How to cover this? Like this, behind, like this. Okay, so inside the bags like this. So it's a wow, it's a beautiful super duper beautiful gold bottle. Look at this beautiful cap. It's like a gold glitter. There's like a gold glitter. Yes, I hope you can see it, guys. Yeah, and the perfume itself. Yeah. The bottom, yeah, and the spray looks really nice. It's really nice and it smells really nice. I so love it. So okay guys, I hope you like my video for today and I'll see you for the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.